Imagine standing on a railway platform. A runaway train is barreling down the tracks towards 5 unsuspecting people. There's a lever near you that could switch the train to a different track, but there is one person on that track too. Would you pull the lever, consciously causing one person's death but saving 5 others? What if it's not a lever, but a person standing next to you, and pushing him onto the tracks could stop the train? Would you still do it? These moral dilemmas, seemingly straight out of a philosophical thought experiment, form the basis of a fascinating study conducted by Crockett et al. In 2010. The study aimed to understand the role of serotonin, a neurotransmitter, in moral judgment and behaviour. The method employed was a repeated measures double-blind experiment. 24 participants came to the lab on 3 separate occasions. On each visit, they were either given citalopram, a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor to increase their serotonin levels, atomoxetine, a noradrenaline reuptake inhibitor, or a placebo. Participants then engaged in 29 moral judgment tasks, like the train track scenario described earlier, and played the ultimatum game, an economic game used frequently in psychological research 24 times. So what did the study find? When serotonin was enhanced, subjects were more likely to judge harmful actions as forbidden. This bias towards avoiding harm was evident in the ultimatum game too, where subjects were less likely to reject unfair offers. These findings suggest that serotonin could promote prosocial behaviour by enhancing our aversion to harm. This study has its strengths. The laboratory setup allowed for a control condition and an additional neurotransmitter condition, illustrating a clear correlation. The use of both the ultimatum game and moral scenarios provided robust findings. The repeated measures design showed how serotonin can affect moral judgment in real time and furthered our understanding of serotonin's role in emotional processing. However, some limitations exist. The ultimatum game is, after all, just a game and lacks real-world validity. Similarly, the moral scenarios are hypothetical and may not reflect real-world decisions. The participant sample was also limited, restricting the generalizability of the findings. Ethical considerations are paramount when altering participants' brain chemistry. Ensuring participants' physical and emotional safety is crucial, as is adhering to ethical guidelines in psychological research. In conclusion, this study provides unique evidence that serotonin could promote prosocial behavior by enhancing our aversion to harm. It opens up new avenues in our understanding of morality and how it is influenced by the chemicals in our brains. While the train track dilemma may remain a philosophical quandary, it's clear that our moral compass might be more biological than we think.